Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to customize Shopify homepage with Pagefly. And this is the standard looking Shopify homepage as you can see right here. To change this, all you'll need to do is go into your Shopify admin page. And from here, we are first going to need to install Pagefly. To do this, you're going to tap on Apps from the left-hand menu option. Then you are going to tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. Once on this page, you are going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right hand corner. Once on the App Store, you are going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in Pagefly. After doing that, you are going to select Pagefly Landing Page Builder, and it is one of the best landing page builders around. And you can see that it is highly rated as it has a 4.9 ratings and it has gotten over 9,000 reviews. After you have installed it, you're going to tap on Open App and then you'll be redirected to the Pagefly dashboard. Once on the Pagefly dashboard, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on Pages from the left-hand menu option. So let's select Pages real quick. After selecting Pages, you have two options. You can either choose to create from blank or you can choose to create from template. You can tap on Create from Template, then select Home. By doing this, you'll be provided with numerous stunning templates that you can choose from. It all depends on the niche or the style or the theme, better yet, that you would like your Shopify store to have. So you can scroll down and you can see the different templates that you can choose from right there. You can select any one of these templates that is to your liking, and you can see that there are numerous options that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. All I would need to do is tap on Select. Then I would be redirected to the editor page, and you can see how the template looks at the moment, as you can see right here. Once on this page, we can start making some changes. The first thing I would recommend you do is go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on the icon that says Show Page Outline. By doing this, you will see each section on your new home page, as you can see right here. Now to start editing it, you could tap on Image and you can change the image. So by tapping on the image right here, you will see a pop-up up here on the right hand menu option, as you can see right here. Now to edit this, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down. Once you have tapped on the image, you will see a pop-up up here on the right hand column. Then to start making some changes, you could simply tap on General. Then from there, you could tap on Select. After tapping on Select, you could add the image that you want to use. So you could upload an image from your device if you want. But I'll leave this image as is. You can also add alt text if you want. You can also enable full width if you want. So I could tap on yes or no. So you have two different options. You can also scroll down, and if you would like to make the image clickable, you can do that by tapping on Select Click Action. So you could tap on Go to URL, then you could tap on Select URL, and from there you can either add it to collections, products, or so on. So let's say, for example, once someone clicks on the pic, I would like to redirect them to a product page. I could simply select the product page right there. You can also hide this image from any device if you want. So you could hide it from desktop, hide it on laptop, or so on. And to edit the text, all you have to do is tap on the text section. Then from there, you could type in whatever you want by going over to the right hand menu option right here. You can also go over and tap on the button and you can make changes to the button, as you can see right here. You can change the button text. You can also make the button clickable by tapping on Click Action right there. And you can select the URL that you would like to redirect it to, or so on. Next, we are going to go back over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you could tap on Section once more. So you're going to tap on the second section, which is right here. And again, you can edit this section by going over to the right hand menu option. Then from there, for example, if you like to edit the text, you could tap on the text, as you can see right there. Anything that you would like to change, you can also select the collection that you would like to make it clickable to, or so on. If it is a case that you would like to add something, let's say for example a slider or so on, all you need to do is hover over the section. Then from there you could tap on add a section at the top right here. After doing that, you can either select a template or you can tap on saved if you had created one before. So for example, you could tap on template. Then after you have tapped on template, you'll see this pop up. Then after selecting that pop-up, you could scroll down and you can select the element that you would like to add. As you can see, there are numerous sections that you can choose from. So if it is a case that you would like to add an FAQ section, or let's say for example we would like to add a slider, you could do that. You could tap on category right there. Then from there you could add a testimonial, and if it is a case that you would like to add a slider, all we'll need to do is go back. Then we're going to tap on the section that says add element in the top left hand corner. After doing that, you could tap on slideshow right here. Then from there you can select the slideshow that you would like to add. So let's say for example this one. Then you could drag and place it where you would like to add it. So let's say we'd like to add it right there. You could paste it right there and you can see that it has now been added. Now all you'll need to do to edit each section, you could tap on the section that you would like to change. Then you could scroll back up, tap on select image, and you can add the image to the slider. So we could tap on the image right there and you can add an image to each section right here. After you have done that, you could scroll down so you can see it right there, and you could add an image. You can also make the images clickable. And it is as easy as that. You can scroll down and you can make changes to each section. And if you would like to add elements, you could go over to the left hand menu option. You can add slides, you can add heading, you can add text, anything at all that you would like to add to it, you can. You can also add images, as you can see right here. All you'll need to do is simply drag and drop it. You can add tables if you want. If it is a case that you would like to add a countdown or maps, you can also do that. You can also add MailChimp forms or so on if you want. And there are also other features that you can have. You can tap on add Shopify elements, and from here you can see the product list. You can add product details, you can add product price, anything at all that you would like to add. For example, if you would like to add the add to cart button, you can also do that. So for example, let's say I would like to add the add to cart button. All I would need to do is scroll back up. So let's say we would like to place it below each image. You can see right there, it has now been added. All you'll need to do now, you can simply tap right there. After selecting the button, you would simply go over to the right hand menu option. Then from here, you could tap on select product and you can choose the product that you would like to link it to. Then I'll tap on select right there. So once they click on the add to cart button, they will be redirected to this product, as you can see right there. And you can see after add to cart, would you like them to stay on the same page or would you like them to go to another page? You can choose that option. And again, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there, if you would like to add anything at all, a contact form, anything at all that you would like to add, you can find it right here and you can simply drag and place it. And for additional stuff that you would like to add, for example third-party elements, you could tap on add third-party elements. Then from there you could tap on manage integrations. After doing that, you can see the numerous other apps that you can also integrate. So for example, if you would like to add reviews, you can simply toggle this on. After toggling it on, from there you will now have access to add reviews. So all you have to do is close this and you'll be able to add that. You can also add yacht reviews and you can add upsells and so on if you want, as you can see right here. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, so you can see the yacht pond reviews right there. We could tap on that. Then you could select the style that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, star ratings, and you could drag and place it where you want. So just for example's sake, I'm going to be placing it right there. After placing it, you can tap right here, and you could go over to the right hand menu option, and then from there you could edit it. But I won't be doing that at the moment, so I'll delete that right there. Once you're finished making your changes, you're going to tap on save. Then you can give the page a name. So I'm going to simply call this page test. I'll call it home page better yet. Then I'm going to tap on save. After it has been saved, you can see after saving you have to publish the page to make it go live. So I'll tap on save once more. Once it has been saved, just give it a few seconds. You can see our page has now been published. So if we were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, this is how our home page looks at the moment. Now after doing that, there's still one more step left, because if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on view your online store, you can see that the top part of our home page still looks the same. We would have to scroll down, and then from there you would see the home page that we have just created on Pagefly. To make the changes, you are going to go back into your admin page, and you're going to tap on online store from the left hand menu option. Then from here, once you're on the themes page, I want you to tap on customize. After selecting customize, you're going to be redirected to the editor page. And all you'll need to do now, you can see Pagefly home page, and we're going to be deleting everything above it. So you're going to remove the image right there, and you can also remove the featured collection. So you can see now we have the Pagefly home page at the top. Now all you'll need to do is tap on save. And if it is a case that you would like to also add the header section, you can do that. So you could tap right here where you see header, and you could add something. If you'd like to add something to the announcement bar or so on, you can do that. Now if we were to tap on the three dots in the top left hand corner, then tap on view, you can now see our home page and how it looks, as you can see right here. And thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.